65 km. Next, Amit start walking pushing his back towards the sun. After some time, he turned left. Then he turned right and towards the left again. In which direction he is going now? This question is based on that same sun question. You have to check whether it's a sunset or sunrise. Okay, that is not given. So we have to consider both the cases, right? We have to consider both the cases because walking position is back towards the sun. Okay, towards the sun he is walking. Either it may be in the morning or it may be in the evening. Okay, so we have to understand that one. Okay, don't think that it's a sunrise or sunset. That is not given here. Okay, so you have to concentrate on the both. After some time, for example, if he is towards the sun in the morning means he turns left. Turns left means turns left, right? Turns left means which direction? Either north or south. North direction. Okay, turns left and then turn right. Turn right means again east direction and then turn left. Okay, in which direction he is right now? He is going now in north direction. Okay, next one, if the sun is in the evening, okay, in the evening the Amit is following towards the sun. Okay, he is moving towards the west direction. After some time he turns to the right. Turns to the right means downward direction and then left and then turns to the left. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, turns to the left and then turn to the right and then again one left. In which direction he is moving? South direction. Therefore answer is what? Either north or south, because the question is not given either sunrise or sunset, just he is walking towards the sun either in the morning or in the evening. You have to understand this question is based on both the cases of sunrise and sunset. Therefore answer is what? North or south. Yeah, answer is what? North or south. Next one. Another one morning after sunrise, Nivedita and Niharika were talking to each other face to face at Dolphin Crossing. If Nigara's shadow was exactly to the right of the Nivedita, which direction Niharika was facing? That is as like what we discussed about that pole and another person, right? The same question only. What is the answer? I already told that either if it is a sunrise or sunset, answer is what? Either north or south. If it is both the cases means answer is what? Either north or south. Here it is a sunrise. Okay, one morning in the sunrise. For example, this is Nivedita, this is Niharika. Okay, NK I mentioned the shortest as N and NK. This is Nivedita and this is NK. This person is facing south and this person is facing north. So mention that this is right, this is left, and this is right, and this is left. Okay. If Nikhira's shadow was this sunrise, no, sunrise means you have to mention this. Just consider this is sun. Okay, sun. Nikhira's shadow was exactly to the right of Nivedita. So this is in case of Niharika. Nikhira's shadow should be exactly to the right. Yes, it is exactly to the right of Niharika. In which direction it was facing? It is facing in the north direction. Okay, yeah, it's a north direction. Next one. Afrina walks 8 km towards east and then walks 13 km to back. 13 km back. Then she turns left and walk 4 km. Then walks 5 km. After turning left, she turns left again and walks again the same. What they are asking is they are asking the distance with the starting point to the ending point. Okay, how much distance she traveled. Arfina walks 8 km towards east. Okay, what I told, this is mentioned. This is a starting point. Towards east means this is east direction, 8 km, and then walks 13 km back. Back means again the same line. 8 plus 5. Okay, 13 km back, and so totally he traveled 13 km back. Okay, and then turns left and walks 4 km. Turns left means in downward direction and walks 4 km, and then walks 5 km after turning left. After again turning left. Again turning left means this is your left side in east direction, 5 km. Okay, this is 5, this is 8, 5 km. This is ending point. Okay, and walks 3 km after traveling 5 kilometer she turns left again and walks 3 kilometer. Left again means in north direction, walks 3 kilometer. Okay, how far she is from the starting point? Your starting point, ending point lies in the same line. So what is the distance between the starting point and then ending point? That is very important. Therefore this is 4 and this is, we know that whether these two lines are parallel. Yeah, it's parallel only, but the line is, we have to differentiate the length of the line. This is 4 kilometer, this is 3 kilometer. Okay, in order to reach the starting point, still 1 kilometer is there. There is a gap between these two things, starting point, ending point. Therefore answer is what? 1 kilometer. Okay, yeah, it's 1 kilometer. So while solving the direction sense problem, okay, if you make any little bit confusion means, don't forget to draw like this: north, south, east and west, and mention right, left, right, left, right, left and right, left. Draw at first itself. Okay, you will avoid the such type of confusions and all. Okay, so based on that we can easily complete the question within a 10 seconds. Okay, for each and every question it should be in less than 1 minute. We have to complete that one. That is very important. Yeah, next one. The P started from his house towards west after walking a distance of 25 meter, and something they were given the content. What they are asking? They are asking which directions he is going. Okay, they are not asking about the distance, only they are asking the directions. Okay, so this is your starting point. Okay, mention the starting point is P. Okay, towards the in west direction he started. The P started from his house towards the west direction. Towards west direction he is moving after walking a distance of 25 meter. Okay, in west direction the P walked 25 meter and then turned to the right and walked 10 meter. So turn to the right means in north direction. The P is traveled towards north up to 10 meter. Again turn to the right, turn to the right and walk 10 meter. He then again turn to the right and walk 15 meter. Okay, walk 15 meter in east direction. After this he is turned to the again right at 135 degree. Okay, so 135 degree means what? So he is in the, now he is in east direction. 130 degree means what? 90 plus 45. So 90 plus 45 means now he is in east direction. Okay, in east direction, if you 90 plus 45, 90 plus 45 means 90 means south direction, another 45 means southwest direction. Okay, in this direction only that concerned person is moving. So in which direction he is going only, that uncover 30 meter. Okay, 135 degree uncover 30 meter. After turn to 135 degree he travel 30 meter. In which direction he is going means southwest direction. Okay, yeah, it's a southwest direction. Next here, how far did he meet his father? Here they are. Okay, while go through the question, just you have to check whether they are asking the distance or direction. Either they ask either both the distance and direction. You have to first go through the at last what they are asking. So based on that you can move the problem. The child went 90 meter in the east direction. Okay, 90 meter in the east direction means here is a child. I mentioning starting point as child CSC, right? Child starting point. Okay, 90 meter in east direction, and look his father. He turned right and went 20 meter. He turned right means in downward direction. Okay, 20 meter. Here it is. The child travel 90 meter in east direction and then 20 meter. After travel 90 meter, the child turned to the right and walked 20 meter. Went 20 meter. After this he turned again right. Again one rightmost position, and after going 30 meter. Okay, after turning to the right position he moved 30 meter and he reached the uncle house. Okay, his father was not there. From there he went 100 meter to the north. From this point he traveled north direction up to 100. He traveled 100 meter in north direction from his uncle's house. This is 100 meter. Okay, check, this is 20 and another 80 kilometer. Don't forget this one. And this is total 90 degree. Here it is 30 and this is what? 60. What they are asking? At last he met his father after reaching 100 meter. He is how far did he meet his father from the starting? From the starting point to ending point, what is the distance? This is your starting point. This is your ending point. This is 60 degree and this is what? 80 degree. Okay. So already I told that if your starting point, ending point is, this is your ending point, is not in the line of sight, means you have to use Pythagoras theorem, okay, by using right angle triangle, that is AC square, which is equal to AB square plus BC square. Okay, so why we are applying the Pythagoras theorem means to find the shortest distance. Okay, so this is your mention, I mentioning the dotted line, this is your, this is what you have to find. Okay, what is the distance between the starting point ending point by using the Pythagoras theorem. So we have to know that this is 60 and this is 80. So mention this is C, this is A and this is B. AB square plus BC square. AB square is what? 80 square plus 60 square, which is equal to AC square, that is shortened. What is the value of 8 square? 64. Therefore 6400 plus 6 square is what? 36. 3600. Therefore 64 plus 36, 100. 100 here 00 is. Therefore 10,000. We have to take the square root. What is the square root here? Square root of 10,000, which is equal to 100 meter. Therefore 100 meter. Therefore, so whether it's 100 meter or 10 meter. Square root of 100 is 10, 10,000 is 100. Yeah. Therefore, answer is what? 100 meter. The distance between the starting point and ending point is what? 100 meter. Okay, we apply the Pythagoras theorem also. So, okay, this all about the concept of direction sense. Okay, go through the all the problems again, once again, and if you have any doubt, you can ask. Okay, thank you all.